welcome again to my philosophy class. This is teacher Morns from TNHS Annex. Today, we are going to talk about the meaning of philosophy. So in our part 1, we have learned the etymological definition of the word philosophy. And today, we are going to discuss the two definitions of it. First, philosophy as science and philosophy as life. Now, ready na ba kayo? If yes, let's start. Philosophy as science, that by natural light and reason, that study the first cause and highest principle of all things. So under this definition, we have 4 things to be considered. 1 is science, natural light and reason, highest principle, and study of all things. Isa-isahin natin, okay? Unang punto, why philosophy is a science? It is called science because the investigation is systematic. Hindi siya maaaring bara-bara, basta-basta, or we will just base on what we see, what we think, or what we believe. Science and philosophy are equal partners in assisting creative thought in attaining and arriving truth. Hindi sapat yung reasoning alone, okay? Or namimilosopo ka para masabing it's philosophy. Philosophy is systematic because it requires logical reasoning and rational justification in arriving truth. Okay? Pangalawang punto, the natural light of reason. Why philosophy is different from science and other disciplines? If we will trace the history of philosophy, it is intertwined with the natural sciences. Ang mga philosophers noon or other scientists investigate things using the sense of wonder or the light of reasoning. Sila ay nagtaka, sila ay nagduda, saan gawa ang mundo, bakit may ganito. Okay. So, hindi sila gumamit ng any technological tool or investigative instrument to prove things. And remember, philosophy is not used to explain any supernatural revelation. Kaya nga magkaiba ang theology at philosophy. Let's have an example, the life of Albert Einstein. Alam niyo ba kung paano niya na-discover ang theory of relativity? So one time, nakasakay siya sa isang sasakyan at tumitig sa isang clock tower. And habang nakaupo at nakatitig, he asked a question at the back of his mind, what would happen if the car were ascending at the speed of light? Then he realized that if he traveled at 186,000 miles per second, the clock hand would appear completely freeze. At that moment, para kay Einstein, ang oras ay bumagal. And then boom! Kababa niya ng sasakyan, he has the idea or the concept of time and space. Albert Einstein spent 10 years to prove his theory. At paano nga ba ito napatunayan? Nung namatay na siya. Okay. So, how? When man has the ability to discover, okay, and explore universe using astronomological technology. Doon pa lang, nalaman na ang theory niya ay tama. See, using the light of reasoning and sense of wonder, he was able to come up with the theory of relativity, the concept of time and space. Buti pa siya, alam niya ang konsepto ng time and space. Kayo pinagtatalunan niyo pa. Pangatlo at pang-apat na punto, study of all things, and philosophy explain the first cause or highest principles. Philosophy covers all other sciences and disciplines like mathematics, science, social sciences, economics, psychology, and etc. Why? Because philosophy explains the first cause or the highest principles of all things. And that's all for today. Kuha mo? If hindi pa, kailangan mo magbasa.